Assalamu alaikum, dear learners, the viewers, honorable guardians. Welcome to online class conducted by Pirouzpur Government Girls High School. At first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Soyod Emri Altaf Hossain, assistant teacher English, Pirouzpur Government Girls High School. How are you, my dear students? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear learners, I know you have been away from our class teaching since the month of March. Considering your distress and your loss, the authority of our school has taken a decision to conduct online class. Dear learners, for this I would like to offer thanks to our honorable DC sir and our headmaster sir. Dear students, today I am going to take a class on grammar, especially for the students of class 9 and 10. Okay, let's start. Today's our topic will be tag question. Do you know what is the meaning of tag? Tag means to attach or to add to something, and tag question means to make a question after a statement or asking confirmation or agreement. Dear learners, now I am starting. Okay. Look at the blackboard. Here there are some examples. Allah can help us. I think you have already guessed what I am going to teach you. If you look at the sentences, you can easily understand that here I am going to teach tag question. Okay, you know there are some rules to form tag question. Okay, I am going to write some rules on tag questions so that you can easily form tag. Okay, dear students, I think you are fully prepared to write down the rules. Rule number 1. If there is any operator or auxiliary verb in the sentence, you will write that auxiliary verb after the sentence, and you will add not short form, then you will write the subject at the end. Okay, dear learners, remember one thing, if our statement is affirmative, our tag will be negative, and if our statement is negative, our tag will be affirmative. And to form a question, at first you will find if there is any auxiliary verb in the statement, you will use that auxiliary verb at the end of the sentence, and you will use not. But remember one thing, if the statement is negative, you will not use not with auxiliary verb, and if the statement is affirmative, you will must use not with the auxiliary verb, and then you will write the subject at the end of the sentence. Here you will must remember that okay, dear students, I am giving an example. Allah can help us. Allah can help us. Here you can see that there is a model, that means can, and if you want to form the tag question, you will first write can at the end of the sentence, and this sentence is affirmative, so you will use not short form with the modal, and then you will write the subject. If the subject is noun, you will write, you will transform it as pronoun. Here our subject is Allah, its noun, so its pronoun will be he. Okay, our tag question is can't he? Dear learners, you know examples are better than rules, so we will practice more and more examples. Example number 2, Rina will say so. Number 3, we use mask when we go out. Dear students, in example number 2, here is an auxiliary verb will, and we will write the auxiliary verb will. Okay, and this sentence is affirmative, so we will use not, and you will write the subject after auxiliary verb. Rina is noun, so its pronoun will be she. But dear learners, remember one thing, you know, and you have already gotten that will not, it's wrong, and its correct tag will be won't. Such as if we find and it's wrong, it would be aren't. For this, we will write won't instead of will not. Here the correct tag question will be won't she. Look at the example number 3. We use mask when we go out. Dear learners, look at this sentence. Here there is no auxiliary verb, so we will use do as moderator or auxiliary verb after the statement. Here the verb is used, its present form, so we will use do as moderator, and the statement is affirmative, so we will make it negative, don't, and our subject is already pronoun, so we will use pronoun don't we. That means we use must when we go out. Its tag question is don't we. Dear learners, then I am writing another rule. I think you have already written. Okay, rule 2. If there is no auxiliary verb, in the given statement, and if the principal verb is in present form, we will use do or does, then we will use not, and then we will use subject to make tag. Dear learners, look at the example. Every girl looks nice. Number 2. Birds fly in the sky. Okay, dear students, the first example here, there is no auxiliary verb for moderator, operator, and our principal verb is in present form, look, and you know every girl is third person singular word, so there is s with our principal verb look, so we will use do or does. You know, if our statement begins with every word is, it will be our tag question. In our tag question we will use they. For this reason, our tag question will be don't they. In example number 2, birds fly in the sky. Here our principal verb is fly and there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, so we will use do, and our statement is affirmative. For this we will write don't, and birds is plural number they. Dear learners, for your clear realization, I am giving another example. The boy walks slowly. Here our principal verb is walk and our subject is third person single number, so there is s at the end of the principal verb. Okay, in this sentence there is no auxiliary verb, and for this we will use do or does. As our subject is third person single number, so we will use does, and its affirmative sentence For this, to make tag, we will use not. Okay, then our subject will be he. You know, the boy is noun, and for this we will use pronoun as our subjects. Dear learners, I think you have already understood how to form a question. If God wishes, I will be again here tomorrow. Okay, thanks you all.